Have you been retouching and your result is not just your expectation? Well, here are 4 things that you might have been doing wrong. Number 1, you're not getting it right in camera. Retouching is not going to save a bad image, trust me. Your choice of lenses, your choice of lighting modifier, makeup, styling, concept, all of these things is going to influence your retouching. So make sure that you get things right in camera first. Then let your retouching take lesser percentage of your workflow. Number 2, you rely too much on plugins. Understanding how frequency separation works and how dodging and burning works is going to make you a better retoucher than relying too much on plugins and just guessing what works and what doesn't work. You know, the radius that you use for your frequency separation, the opacity that you use for your brush when you're dodging and burning, all those little things that you think doesn't matter is just going to give you a better result at the end of the day. So make sure that you understand what you are doing and don't just run through plugins. Number 3, you are still using the mouse to retouch. Seriously, you want me to explain that? Go get yourself a tablet, bro. Number 4, you don't understand the job description. Know the task at hand and retouch accordingly. The approach that you're going to use for a fashion editorial is not the same you're going to use if you're working on e-commerce fashion shoots. So understand the job description really well and retouch accordingly. So these are the 4 tips that I think might help you when you're retouching the next time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification icon so that you will receive notification each time I put out a new video. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.